Hi guys, and welcome back to the vlog. We are headed out to go get our Christmas tree, so I'm very excited about that. So we're going to get our Christmas tree and then come home and clean and decorate and stuff. The other day it snowed, so it's like really pretty here, and I caught a clip of Lily experiencing the snow for the first time, so I'm going to insert that here because it was really cute. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're headed off to go get our Christmas tree and go for sleigh rides. Alright, we have a movie ready to play, and I am going to get started on decorating the Christmas tree. Yay!
Christmas tree time!
Are you so excited? Show me that dance again.
My dance?
Yeah.
My spin dance?
Your Christmas tree dance. Wow. Okay. Alright, sit down on the couch. I'm going to turn on your movie.
Oh, I'm going to this girl.
You can after I get the lights on. Well guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button down below, comment, like, and let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel. Bye guys!